Hey guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel.
Today we are in the Grand Floridian. And what will we be doing, Dad?
Today is our second day of our staycation. So if you missed the first day or the series of video, we're gonna put it down below. But the reason why we're here is because yesterday we stayed at Polynesian. Today we're going to the Grand Floridian. We want to find out basically which hotel is the best for the family. A lot of people love
the deluxe.
Yeah.
a lot of the deluxes. The deluxes. A lot of people actually like the Grand Flow, and we want to make sure that, you know, yeah, that's how it's called. A lot of people like it, so we want to make sure that we're all on the same page. And we're going to report it to you guys throughout this video and possibly tomorrow, as we're going to enjoy some of the amenities in here. So anyways, if you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to Cookie's Adventure. Our main mission is to help you to have fun when you come here to Disney, Universal, any other theme park or resort. With that said, with the monorail going through, are you guys ready for the Battle of the Deluxes?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it. There is something about the Grand Floridian that people truly enjoy. What is it?
I think it's the history.
Is the history? Is it the looks? Is it because it was probably one of the first resorts built?
The first resort.
This was the first resort? I thought it was contemporary. Yeah. Is it because of its proximity to the theme park, to Magic Kingdom?
Yeah.
So anyways, confession time, guys. At least me personally, I have never been impressed about this hotel.
To like upper scale?
Yeah. Upper class or
class?
yeah.
Like what?
But I don't know, something about it doesn't make it fit with me or us. But we're here for you guys. We're here to give you a tour, and maybe you guys.
Who knows? Maybe we'll like it.
Maybe we'll like it. We may end up liking it more than Polynesian.
Maybe.
Because so far I was not too crazy about it either. So who knows? Let's go. Nothing better though. I give it to this deluxe resort. Nothing better than to see the monorail up close and personal. And that's probably one of the biggest advantages why people like it so much. Now, because I like messing with Kyla, said, do you think it's proper that Kyla walks to the Grand Floridian and dress up like this? With a wet bathing suit and...
Okay, you leave my flip-flops alone.
Just saying.
I like flip-flops, first of all. Second of all, I could dress, oh my God.
Look at you. Let's see. Let's look at Kyla. Dun, dun, dun. And the Grand Floridian. Dun. I'm just messing with you guys. I just love picking on her. By the way, hidden Mickeys. It's always good to find hidden Mickeys around here, which there's a few. It's kind of hard to spot, especially with the camera, but there's a few.
Oh, right here.
Right there. Go Kyla, go Kyla. There you go. Hidden Mickey. Also, if you've never been here, you can spot all the characters. Look at Minnie on the floor. Look at Minnie Mouse.
Goofy.
Goofy's down there. Look. Hey, Goof. Yeah. Where's Donna? Oh, Donna's down there. Look. There you go. Bonnet. The boss man. Yeah, the boss man is down
Guess
there.
who's in the middle?
Who's in the middle?
And the one
Oh, Pluto.
The one over there, his name's Hippie.
So anyway, this is the lobby, the main lobby of the Grand Floridian. So towards the right hand side, this is where you actually do the check-in and standby area, kind of. People wait over there. There's a piano in there. Sometimes they bring somebody to play the piano, and it's amazing to listen to.
Can you see what we're telling fancy? Could you see what we're telling fancy here?
It is fancy. It is not Kyla's fancy, but it's okay. You can still enjoy the Grand Floridian. We have done food review over here. We have done food reviews in here before of two restaurants. The Grand Floridian Cafe, which you guys, spoiler alert, were not crazy about. here we go. 7220 is our home for one night. We're actually seeing this for the first time. And actually, let's see. Wow, the smell alone is amazing. I'm gonna walk, giving the back to everything. I want to see this guy's expression.
That's a pretty bathroom.
Before I give you guys.
Whoa.
And so you see that I'm not tricking you. I'm just hauling this big suitcase. Look at their,
So pretty.
look at their expression so far.
This is big.
This is really big.
What do you guys think?
Wait.
Beautiful. I like it. Oh yeah.
Is that a pull-out bed?
It is a pull-out bed.
Ching.
Nice. All right, room tour. This is how we get you ready for a Cookies Adventure room tour. So now that we dropped some of the things off, let's start here in the bathroom, left hand side. Ooh, double sink.
Ew.
More of this amazing
Out of the
lotion
mouthwash,
and all that.
Shower caps. Forget it.
People like Karen who keep forgetting them. Yeah, well, oh well. Kyla's gonna love that, a full mirror. Okay, what else? Okay, Mito found his throne. Kalo found his throne.
I know, right? Can't believe there's a throne in
Yeah, here you go.
everything.
A regular bathtub. Still like the bathroom or the shower,
The Polynesian.
the shower at the Polynesian.
Yeah.
But the room, it looks better, people. All right, what is in there, Kalo? Since that your moms walk away from us. Oh, look at this closet.
Yeah.
Safe, some shelf. This is a really spacious closet.
Ooh.
Extra pillow and blanket. We should.
Oh, and it's locked. At the Poly wasn't, which means this, like, once they finished it, so no one's touched it.
No one touched it.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing, because then that means they have to put a new one.
They put a new one every
Put a new one every
They're
time.
supposed
All right, so they have a. Do they have an iron in that side? 'Cause I see an iron board.
to. Yes.
Yep. So there you go, guys. This closet is big. Iron board. You have a regular seat over here. Regular chair. Are these queen size or full? They look kind of small. That looks like a full. But whether it's a full or a queen, it's hard to tell. But hey, you got two over here.
Plenty of room.
Yeah, it's plenty of room. You have electrical outlet over there, and two USB chargers over there.
Kyla already opened the room.
Kyla already opened the remote. Kyla is getting hooked into the Olympics. By the time you watch this, we're having Olympics in here. So there's Kyla over there. A regular table over there that I guess it was used for an office.
Yes.
But then they're like,
Carrying machine.
now they're like, hey, let's put the coffee over there. I guess nobody comes over here to work.
Except Karen.
Or Carlos to edit videos, so I guess they
No idea.
don't have idea. And that's a pull-out
Yeah.
bed. Alright, so Karen is going to open it. Because it looks like it's a twin. Well, Carlos doesn't care. Oh, look at Karen. Ta-da!
Dun, 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 dun.
So that will be Carlos' bed because he likes sleeping on his own. Just like his daddy. And look at the balcony. This is awesome. We have a balcony. Pretty large. We can see part of the lake too. Although it's fogging. The lens is fogging up, but
It's hot.
because it's extremely humid today. Man. Tell you what.
I'm liking it.
What time is checkout?
I don't know.
I'm hanging out here and do the checkout.
I know, right?
That's awesome. Alright. That's the initial room tour, guys. I wonder if there's more electrical
You know what though?
outlets. Oh, yes. There's more electrical outlet right down here.
More on this side too.
Good to know.
More on this.
Alright, so each side has 2 electrical outlets and 2 USB. When you travel with a family like ours, you know, 4 cell phone, 2 Apple Watches,
Units.
yeah, battery to charge for this camera. I mean, if we are doing live stream, the gimbal, you know, it is a full-time job, people.
The more the better.
You know, when we go out,
We go out.
and the computer needs to be charging, so the more electrical outlets, the better. And there's another one back there. I guess that you should not be using that one. Another electrical outlet over here. I didn't show this in Polynesian, but Polynesian was similar. This one is a little bit more modern. But yeah, you got a thermostat. The Polynesian had the one that actually is a sensor. This one, it doesn't seem like it. So, hey, even better. Even better. I hate to say it now, guys, but I am so... Look, we have to stop to get coffee for Karen. But I hate to say this, guys. I don't know.
Kind of liking the Grand.
I'm liking the Grand. I'm liking the Grand better than Poly.
Really cool.
I don't know. We'll see at the end.
You see, this is what I thought was going to happen.
I knew. The room is bigger. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see at the end of this journey. The battle of the deluxes.
This is what I thought was going to happen.
I don't know if this is a DVC room or not. I don't think it is. So the one at the Poly did have a microwave, where this one doesn't.
But you could walk to Gasparilla. There's a microwave in Gaspi.
Is it available?
Yep.
Oh.
Yep. So also I want to say that this side of this that we are in right now, this room, this is what it was. These buildings were used for the NBA players and their family. So who knows? Who knows who might have slept in this room? Even though some of them were complaining.
Great start.
I'll be back.
She's telling me to pay attention when she's the one who's messing up the outro. You guys missed that. Anywho, guys, thank you for joining us in another adventure, family. It was amazing. So we're gonna end the video over here of our room tour, resort, actually the lobby tour and all that over here. Following another video now, because we're heading to the Magic Kingdom because we have dinner reservations. So make sure you want to find out where we're going, go to that next video when we post it. But anyway, thank you so much for joining us. Once again, thank you for showing us a lot of love and support. We love you back. With that said, sadly this adventure has ended, and we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe and smash that like button and turn that bell for notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and say awesome. See you in the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
I don't know why she's that far, like social distancing from each other, but that's okay. See ya. Bye.